Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this Torvo 4K front and rear dash cam for you to be able to make sure that you're protecting your property, to use to make content, or to be able to have to make sure that you're recording front and back. Torvo has the TD3 dash cam that has footage that's always by your side in 4K to be accessed through Wi-Fi. They've got 5G connection, super night vision, parking monitoring, front and rear recording, and a built-in GPS. It's easy to be able to use on your phone, and connection and installation is just as simple. With that said, the folks at Torvo provided this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this and demonstrate it out in my car, hear what you're getting yourself into. You can never be too careful here, and setting this up is super easy as it uses 3M adhesive to be able to adhere to your dash in its mount. Here is the front cam that has 4K capability. It's powered by USB-C with a pry tool, and then you have the back cam as well as the other cables to connect to it. It's got a nice plug here to be able to fit in your AC plug adapter in the car with cables that stretch all the way from the front to the back, which is nice. You can see here that the back cam has the adhesive as well as the backup camera. It does rotate, giving you a perfect angle. And then you've also got the 4K cam here on the front with a large lens and easy access to your buttons with a nice LCD screen on the back. Pre-installed is an SD card, which I find to be really nice, having 64 gigabytes of SD storage so that you can hold quite a bit of data here long term. Here are your connectors, and on the other side here is your power button as well. Let's go on location, set it up, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Starting off the connectivity here, it's really easy. I have this flat surface on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on here. There is a proprietary connector, and that will connect the rear cam front. You're gonna feed that all the way through your car. Fitting the cable through is easy. You got this little pry tool. You can kind of line it through contour of your vehicle, fitting it through all these little slots. Otherwise, you can kind of press it in there, and it's nice how it hides. Continue to feed it through. It's very easy to follow the contour. I'm gonna have this go up the windshield and through as well. Continue to feed it through. What's nice is the cable is very long. You have plenty of room for long SUVs, larger cabs, and dashboards. Mine's a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna coil it up. I'm gonna go ahead and mount the dash. Very easy to do so. Press it on there, and then we can go ahead and connect it. Plug in TRS cable. You've also got the car adapter. We'll plug that in as well. Now that we've got the cables all connected, we can go ahead and plug in the USB power cable as well as the cable from the rear cam to get us power. When you turn on the device for the first time, that's what boot up looks like. Now I've got my rear cam and I've got the dash cam as well. I need to adjust them both, but you can see here what we're looking at. You have a number of buttons here to adjust if you want to. The first button here is to adjust all the settings, so you can do loop recording, which is nice. We want 4K. We can have 1 minute loop recording. We can move that to 2 minutes if we wanted, which is what I'm interested in. Time lapse, you have a time lapse feature. We're gonna keep that off for now. I'm not going on any trips. We want the time to be 12-hour. We want to record audio. G-sensor will keep off. Date stamp will keep on. GPS we can turn off. Back mirror. But there's all these different settings you can go through and adjust here as necessary. Okay, from the App Store, you're going to pick up this Vidure app. We're gonna open it and add a new camera. We need to connect it and connect to the Wi-Fi as well. We've connected to the app. We've connected to the Wi-Fi, and now we've got full access to the front and back, showing you the rear as well. There's the front dash. It looks really good. You can take a screenshot or a picture if you wanted. You can do time lapse. You can even get the GPS. As you can see here, we've got both the front and the back. The front is 4K. The back is black and white at 1080p. It does not connect through USB. It's got this proprietary cable, which is nice. And you have full access to the app, being able to track your GPS, take screenshots, record video, and even pull the footage there from the SD card. Otherwise, you could take the SD card out if you wanted and put it in your computer. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like to connect it to the app. Okay, here is the front cam. It looks really good. You've got a nice wide field of view. I've got my entire dashboard in view, and you can see how pretty the vista looks at sundown on my commute home from work. Here's the back cam. You can see it is high quality as well. It is right up against my hatchback, and you can get a clear angle of all the vehicles behind you. Switching back over to the front, you can see here it's very vibrant. The 4K is high quality and it's nice to have. Moving over the shot at night, you can see the front dash cam does a great job capturing your field of view. And then in the back, you can see when you go through an intersection, it's pitch black where I live. They want to have kind of this country feel. So the only time you can see is when I go under a lamppost. With that said, I find the Torvo 4K dash cam to be one of the best in class. Very durable. I really like how it can withstand really hot temperatures, especially in this summer heat that I've been in. 4K is crystal clear, being able to see front and back, and also the app is nice and easy to be able to integrate as well. With that said, the folks at Torvo did provide me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.